Hi, Damien here for Automotive Superstore, and in this video we're going to check out the brand new, all singing, all dancing focal speaker kit for Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. So you've got a Tesla Model 3 or a Tesla Model Y, and I bet you've been wondering what you can do to upgrade your car to make it more enjoyable. The problem with these cars is, well, there's precious little aftermarket parts available for them. Wait a minute, all of a sudden we've got this here, the speaker kit upgrade from Focal Audio, a French company that's been making speakers since 1979. Think about it. Teslas, electric cars, whisper quiet. They're like driving along in a library. What better environment to enjoy high-end audio? And so this bolt-in kit, designed to work off the factory amplifier in the car, and it's simply plug and play, probably the best upgrade that anyone can do for their Tesla. Let's have a quick look at what we actually get in this kit, and I've kind of laid this out as the car is laid. So, across the front of the windscreen, below that grille panel, that grey grille panel, there are 3 speakers in there that are like this. These are the Focal ones. They're a roughly 4-inch mid-range driver, one on the left side, one in the middle, and one on the right-hand side. The center channel also has a tweeter, and the Focal one is a 25mm inverted dome, aluminium dome tweeter. In the doors you have an 8-inch mid-bass driver, so you get a pair of 8-inch mid-bass drivers, and they come already mounted in the plastic mounting brackets ready to bolt in. There are also a pair of 25mm inverted dome tweeters in the sail panels in each door. And then in the rear doors, there are 4-inch full range speakers, and the Focal set actually has a small aluminium dome tweeter in those as well. Now, these speakers from Focal are actually based on the Flax series, and that's one of their most popular series. It's been around for a few years now. I've had those in my own car a couple of times. They're a great sounding pair of speakers, so I'm very sure these are going to sound fantastic. These are actually made in France, and they use this Flax woven cone on the mid-range drivers that makes them light but also very stiff. Now, the real beauty of this kit is it really is designed to be plug and play. And so the entire kit comes with everything you need to plug into your factory loom. There's no cutting, there's no soldering or anything like that. You just need the basic tools to pull your door trims off and that trim panel. And all this stuff bolts in very, very easily with a few bolts. The rear doors, though, the 3 mounts for this will need to be drilled out because they're plastic welded in. And once they're drilled out, there are screws that come in this to bolt these into the rear doors. What's also nice is they've included proper crossovers. So here is the crossover between the mid-range and the tweeter. This mounts down actually in the A-pillar area. There are the additional wiring looms that are all provided to plug and play into all of the factory wiring loom. Even the center channel has a crossover for the mid-range driver and a small inline one for the tweeter there. Now, Focal have actually got a full tutorial video on how to install this into your car on their website. They say it takes, I don't know, it's probably somewhere like about 2 hours for you to install this by yourself. It's not too hard, actually. It's really super simple, and really, it's the only kit on the market that's comprehensive like this. I mean, AirPro doesn't even make speaker mount brackets for the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y yet. What's worth noting is we know this will fit Tesla Model 3s up until the end of 2023. There's a new 2024 model coming. It's probably going to be the same kit if I was a betting man, but it may be slightly different. If you get a 2024 or onwards model, just check that before you go ahead and purchase this kit to make sure it fits your car as well. If you want a hand with the installation and you're in Sydney, give us a call and book your car in, and we can get this installed for you in a day. Otherwise, install it yourself. It really is pretty simple to do. By all means, watch that video from Focal that shows you how the installation goes, give you a bit of an idea how difficult that job's going to be, or really how easy. It's a really easy job. I hope you've liked this video. While you're here, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.